Hey Miss Gia's class. So welcome to your second math video for today, May 18th. It's Monday, so I'm going to show you some new math things. We talked about shopping and we are practicing addition and subtraction. And so what we are going to work on now is called balancing the number sentence. Okay, so we are balancing the number sentence. What does it mean when something is balanced? What does it mean when we balance something? It means that it's equal on both sides, or it's the same on both sides. Maybe you can imagine, actually, let me use a regular pen to draw this. Hold on. So if you imagine back many years ago, many years ago, there was a thing called a balance, and it looked like this. And so you would put maybe one thing over here and another thing over here, and you would try to see if one was heavier, if one was lighter, or if they were the same. When we balance something, we want them to be the same. So what does this look like in math with our number sentences? It looks like this. 3 plus 7 is equal to 5 plus what? Okay, how do we do this? What's the first step? The first step is to figure out what does this number equal? Because then we can figure out how to get that number on the other side. So you guys know this, easy peasy lemon squeezy. What is 3 plus 7? That's right, it is 10. Okay, so this is like saying 10 is equal to 5 plus what? Well, how do we get to 10 if we have 5? So there's two ways that we can do this. We can use our mental math and we say, oh, I remember my 10 bonds. I remember that 5 plus 5 is 10. Or we can use subtraction. What crazy! We'll use subtraction. So it would look like this. It would look like this. We would take away 5 over here, say bye, and 10 minus 5 is 5, and that would mean that 5 is equal to this thing right here. Because we got rid of the 5 here, we said, okay, we're going to take it away from the 10, because we want to know, we want to just have the question mark. So we take the 5 away, we say, okay, subtracting the 5, taking it away, and we know that 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. So 5 is what we should put where the question mark is, which means that our balanced number sentence looks like this. 3 plus 7 is equal to 5 plus 5. And that is what it looks like in the end. Okay, because let's check. 3 plus 7 is equal to 10, and 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. So is 10 the same as 10? It is. 10 is the same as 10. Okay, let's try another example. Let's try, 6 plus 7 is equal to 8 plus what? Okay, remember, step 1, we got to figure out what is 6 plus 7. That's our first step. What do you think it is? Did you say 13? That's correct. It is 13. Okay, so now we have to figure out how to make 13 with 8. So, 1, use mental math, or you can count on your fingers, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, or we can use our subtraction method. So we can say goodbye 8 over here, goodbye 8 over here, then you do subtraction, and you can count on your fingers, you can count backwards, but you know that the answer is going to be 5 in this question mark. So the final balanced number sentence looks like this. 6 plus 7 is equal to 8 plus 5. That is what the sentence looks like when both sides are the same total. Because 6 plus 7 is 13 and 8 plus 5 is 13. They are both the same. Let's do another example. One more example. All right. How about 13 plus 5 is equal to 9 plus what? Do you know? Well, step 1, what is it? 13 plus 5 is what? 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, 18. And so here we have to find out, what do we add to 9 to get 18? What do we add to 9 to get 18? Do you guys remember your rule of doubles? Like 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 2 is 4, 3 plus 3 is 6, 4 plus 4 is 8. What's 9 plus 9? Do you remember? 9 plus 9 is 18. So we can say that 18 is equal to 9 plus 9. So our final math sentence, our balanced number sentence, will be 13 plus 5 is equal to 9 plus 9. Okay? Now, I'm going to give you 2 examples. That way you guys can practice. And then we will check them together. So the first number sentence that I want you to balance is okay. That's the first one. And the second one is okay. So you can pause the video, all right? And when you're ready, come back to the video and we will check our answers together. Okay, friends, let's check our answers. If you're not done, pause the video, okay? It's okay if you need more time. Pause the video. It's easy. So here we go. In number 1, what is the first thing we have to do? What is 7 plus 4? 7 plus 4 is 11. Okay, so how do we get 11 with, what do we add to 10 to get 11? Can we count up maybe? 10, 11. Oh, that was easy. Silly Miss Gia, you guys know this. We just need to add 1. So our number sentence, and remember, always write your balanced number sentence. It's going to be 7 plus 4 is equal to 10 plus 1. So you see 7 plus 4 is 11 and 10 plus 1 is 11. So it's 2 different ways, but the answer is the same. Now let's look at number 2. What is 3 plus 9? It's our first step. We have to figure out 3 plus 9. What is 3 plus 9? 9, 10, 11. It's 12. Okay. So, how do we get 12 from 2? What do we need to add to 2 to get to 12? Well, if I have 12 and I take away 2, 12, 11, 10. So that means when we write our final sentence, 3 plus 9 is equal to 2 plus 10. They both equal 12. 3 plus 9 is 12, and 2 plus 10 is 12. Crazy, right? So friends, that is how we balance our number sentences, so that both sides are the same. Okay, so if you have any questions, don't worry. You can ask me in Zoom, you can send me an email, all right? But I will see you not next week, tomorrow. I will see you tomorrow in class, and we will talk about this, all right? So stay healthy, stay safe, and stay in touch. Bye.